Ah, ano ka tayo? San Francisco
City Hall.
City Hall.
Okay, let's go. Let's go na, let's go.
Pindutin na. Tayo ulit. Sobrang ginawlaw.
Yung mga puno, hindi pala naman namamatay kahit tapyasan ng tapyasan.
Yun, San Francisco.
Gusto mo City
pero-
Hall, ano City Hall natin?
Ah,
City
wow, this is a
Mayor Office.
katulad na sa St. Paul.
The top is all gold.
They're just like in St. Paul, like that. St. Paul, Minnesota. Same thing.
San Francisco City Hall.
This is San Francisco City Hall in California.
Or Mayor's Land.
Yan. Iyon. Iyon ako ang tuktok ko. Nakuha ko ang tuktok. Ayun. Good. Yun. Mayor's Office, Municipal Hall. During Philippine
Pwede kang bumaba, pwede kang mag-stop dito.
Hindi, okay na yun. Oh. Kita ko naman dito. Kita na dito, maganda.
Oh,
San
this is the place
Francisco,
where Macy's, right? Where is Macy's?
Oh no, it's downtown.
Oh, this is the place where we
Where else you find it?
do fiesta.
San Francisco, California, Municipal Hall.
These guys, California State Building. This one too.
California State Building. California State Building. Pretty
It's
place.
the Opera House.
That's the Opera House. Louis
Yeah.
Davis.
Good
And
City
this
Hall.
is the tayo ulit.